Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of our podcast Beneath the Surface. This is Akshaya. In this episode, we're going to talk about one of history's most infamous serial killer, Jeffrey Dahmer. Between 1978 and 1991, Dahmer murdered 17 young men and boys in a series of gruesome killings that involved sexual assault, dismemberment, necrophilia, and cannibalism. Jeffrey Dahmer was born on May 21, 1960, in West Allis, Wisconsin. His early life was marked by seemingly normal childhood, though he exhibited signs of withdrawal and fascination with dead animals. By his teenage years, Dahmer began to show increasing signs of psychological distress intensified by his parents' relationship and eventual divorce. Dahmer committed his first murder in 1978, shortly after graduating from high school. His first victim was Stephen Hicks, a boy who Dahmer picked up, took home, and killed when Hicks tried to leave. After dismembering Hicks' body, Dahmer scattered the remains around his family property. There was a significant gap between this first murder and his next in 1987, but from that point onward, his killing became more frequent. Dahmer often targeted young men, many of whom were minorities or from marginalized groups. He lured his victims to his apartment with promise of money, companionship, or photographs. Once there, he drugged them and committed his crimes, which escalated in depravity over time. Dahmer developed a disturbing routine of dismembering his victims and keeping body parts as trophies, including skulls and other remains. He also engaged in necrophilia and cannibalism. Some reports indicated he attempted to create a zombie-like state in his victims by drilling holes in their skulls and injecting chemicals. On July 22, 1991, Dahmer was arrested after one of his intended victims, Tracy Edwards, managed to escape his apartment and flag down the police. When officers entered Dahmer's home, they were met with a scene of horror. They found photographs of dismembered bodies, preserved human remains, and tools used for his gruesome acts. Dahmer was charged with 17 murders, but later confessed to all of them. In 1992, he was convicted and sentenced to 15 consecutive life terms. During the trial, Dahmer expressed remorse for his actions and blamed his behavior on psychological issues, including a lack of empathy and uncontrollable urges. On November 22, 1994, Dahmer was killed by a fellow inmate, Christopher, at the Columbia Correctional Institute in Wisconsin. Dahmer's death closed one of the darkest chapters in criminal history. In recent years, Jeffrey Dahmer's case regained new attention through the 2022 Netflix series Dahmer Monster: The Jeffrey Dahmer Story, created by Ryan Murphy. The series explores Dahmer's life, his horrific crimes, and their impact on his victims and their lives. Dahmer's story has been the subject of extensive media coverage, books, documentaries reflecting society's fascination with the psychology of serial killers and the systematic failures that allowed him to continue for so long.